Welcome to the Fluid Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It is 4:31 p.m. That is Central Time. No, it isn't. It is London time. And I apologize for the early recording, but I want to get the video recorded before jet lag kicks in later on this evening. And certainly there's plenty to talk about. When we look at Bitcoin, it's down $4,000. Now, this is make or break here because there's one of two things are going to happen. It's going to find support around 110,000, and that's the lower side of the range. It's the upper side of the underlying range. So that's a potential area of support, and we see that it is a little bit off the lows in here today. But we're also exactly a year and a half on from the last halving. And following the last two halvings before the one in 2024, Bitcoin peaked exactly 18 months after the halving, and the crypto winter then started. So the next question is it capable of breaking its cyclicality on this occasion? Is the impact of significant corporate or institutional participation in Bitcoin enough to break that cyclicality, or is it going to break down from here? Well, if it is enough, then this area will be support. But then there is the additional point that Bitcoin is a liquidity barometer. It reacts most powerfully to a great deal of money getting created. And the confluence of money creation following halvings in the past has been one of the most significant factors in driving the price higher. So it's do or die here. And of course, we are in a rate cutting cycle. So there is an, I guess, a larger number of countries and central banks around the world that are cutting rates right now. And with the data out of the UK today, and basically implying that there will be an additional rate cut, and then van der Leyen in the EU saying that they are not going to say that they have ended their rate cut cycle. Well, the dollar is a bit stronger, and several currencies are weaker against it. Then we have a bit of a pause going on in the stock market. It's not nearly as bad as I think the media are making out, but there's uncertainty around the whole question of tariffs in China. And there are several points in the calendar that I think are concentrating at the minds of investors right now. If we then think about how is Ethereum doing, because if silver is high beta gold, then Ethereum is often considered to be high